Defy CornerWash is designed to reach every spot in every corner. Inside this high-performance dishwasher is an eco-efficient, innovative spray arm. Unlike traditional spray arms that clean in a circular motion, the innovative CornerWash spray arm cleans in a rectangular motion. This ensures that every corner of the dishwasher is reached throughout the wash. CornerWash, the first of its kind in South Africa. By reaching all four corners, Defy ensures better hygienic results wash after wash in an eco-friendly format. The result is a more efficient clean from corner to corner. Defy CornerWash, designed to reach every spot in every corner. Defy, believe in better.